let's talk about this whole idea of, does the Fourth Amendment apply? Like this whole idea of privacy from a drone versus from a stick, a camera on a stick versus from a helicopter, because the Supreme Court of the United States has never ruled on a drone case specifically, but they have ruled on helicopter criminal cases and aircraft criminal cases where law enforcement has snapped pictures, used it against people that ultimately went to jail. So let's see. Miriam, looks like you're chomping the bit. Let's go. Let's go with her first. She's chomping. She's like, I want to talk about.
Oh, it is. I have to say, this is something I have strong feelings about. So, for what it's worth, only my opinion. Okay, I am. I probably shouldn't even be this specific, but I really feel strongly about this because of the volume of emails that I get sent to me that say, at least sort of 10 to 20 a week that say, what can I do about my neighbor who has a drone? Or I think this person's spying on me, or I think this person's bothering my dog, or I think this person. And I really take issue with any municipality that wants to make a law about drones. And my issue is, there is a law that says you can't annoy your neighbor's dog. There is a law that says you can't spy through your neighbor's window, right? There are peeping Tom regulations or whatever. So that's the law. And whether you do that with binoculars or a cell phone or a camera on a stick or a drone or whatever is going to be invented next week, the law is the same. You can't harass an individual in that way, right? So I think when it comes down to this, for one thing, I do find it interesting that as soon as there's a drone involved, so there's really no argument that the Maxons are guilty of what the township said that they're guilty of. They do have a junkyard in their backyard. They totally, paid no heed whatsoever to the town regulations. They did that. Nobody denies it, but they're trying to get by on a technicality because there was a drone involved. And so my feeling is, if the law covers, helicopters and whatever, it should also cover drones, and there really should be no exceptions specific to the vehicle.